Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a button and name it. Now, buttons in Uno can be anywhere on the HUD. All you have to do is click anywhere on the HUD and you're going to get a menu with all the settings for that button. Now, the name right here is randomly generated, but I highly recommend changing it and keeping track, writing it down somewhere, all the buttons on your HUD, because you're going to need them in the future. To change it, just click name. And then submit it. You'll see that it changes here. Now, very important, make sure to click the save button. Otherwise, any information that you've submitted for this button will get deleted. You have to click save. Once you click save, as you can see, if I click on the same location, the same button is right there. Now, one last thing. As you can see, this button is currently on page 0 because I'm currently on page 0. But if I change to page 1, for example, and then I click on the same location, you'll notice that that button is no longer there, because buttons appear on the pages that you create them on. So now that you know how to make buttons, what I want you to do is go ahead and create buttons on every page for every location that you want a button. And make sure to name them and write that down, because you're going to need those names later. The one last thing that I'm going to mention is if you have a button, for example, this button that goes to the next page. If you want this button to be on every page, not just this one, but on all of them, what you're going to do is click the page button, put -1 and submit. That way this button is going to appear on every page. I'll show you. So if I go ahead and go back to page 0 and I click right here again, you'll see that the button is still there. All right, so go ahead and create all your buttons with the names and the pages. And you don't need to do anything else. In the following videos, I'm going to show you how to make actions for these buttons.